Hi there, students. To foot the bill is an interesting use of the verb to foot. Okay, to foot the bill means to pay for something, to pay a bill. So my boss took me out for lunch and he footed the bill. He paid the bill. He paid the bill for lunch. The government has plans to remodernize this area, and the taxpayer will have to foot the bill, to pay the bill, to pay for it, to settle the account. Notice, to foot the bill for something, to pay the bill for something. Look at all this damage. Who's going to foot the bill for all of this? Maybe the insurance company is going to foot the bill. I think you need to use the whole expression, foot the bill. I don't think you can use foot independently on its own to mean pay. So what about the origin of this? Well, remember, foot can also be the base or the bottom of something. So at the foot of the mountain, there is a lovely restaurant. And at the foot of a bill is the total amount that you need to pay. I think originally they used this to mean to add up the bill. But nowadays we use this phrase to foot the bill, to pay a bill. Nobody wants to foot the bill for this problem. Do you think we could get the client to foot the bill for this? When you're traveling on business, your company should foot the bill for travel, hotel and other things. They give you an expense account maybe. Okay, so to foot the bill. What about formality? Well, I would say this is probably neutral formality. I don't think, however, you can use it in a very formal setting. Yeah, I would use it neutrally, informally, maybe semi-formally, but not as a very formal phrase. I think in a very formal document, I would say to settle an account, to settle the account. Yeah, not foot the bill. Yeah. So who's going to foot the bill for lunch tomorrow? They took me on holiday and they footed the bill for everything. They paid for everything. So a simple expression meaning to pay. Okay. Notice, to foot the bill for something. Okay. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To foot the bill.